active storms. It's just the beginning. Tomorrow, these storms reload for round 2. Large hail, wind, maybe strong tornadoes back on the table for the Central Plains. And why don't we just make it a habit and do it all week?
We're going to do that for you. I mean, we try to make it easy, right? And remembering, do I have a chance of storms today? By some communities, almost every day, it seems like you got them. Tomorrow, you can see Wednesday, more opportunities for storms from the Great Lakes down into the Southern Plains. And
like has been the theme pretty much all spring so far, the greatest threats are in and around Lake Michigan area. I mean, this has been a north-loaded spring severe season so far, and that continues.
It's been really active again today. We welcome you into Weather Unfiltered here on this Monday. I'm Alex Wilson.
I'm Dr. Rick Knabb, and we also have to remember that there are places farther east that are getting hotter and hotter as the week goes on. We will time out when it will eventually not be so hot.
Some of these numbers are wild for April standards. I mean, we're talking like low to mid 90s. 90s in some big cities that I think may surprise you.
Now let's talk about what's going on in the Midwest. We're going to look at Eau Claire.
During the month of March, melted a lot of the snowpack. So getting whatever we can, all good news. And we've seen rain as well across sections of the western U.S. Temperatures right now into the 50s for Seattle and Portland. We've got temperatures into the 50s for Spokane, also Medford. All in all, pretty exactly what you'd expect, right? We've got rain showers across sections of the Intermountain West, and that's the story again tomorrow. Seattle and Portland both in the 40s and 50s with rain showers likely. We've got some Intermountain West snow. Not a ton of activity, but just enough to remind you you're in Seattle. Looking through the next 2 days or next 48 hours, you can see we get you into Tuesday morning. The Cascades getting snow. Western Washington, it is rain. That expands farther to the south into Wednesday morning. Parts of Idaho, Montana, Wyoming, again, will get some snow, especially at those ski resorts. Higher elevations should get some measurable snowfall. Parts of Wyoming continue to see the snow into the later part of Wednesday. Snow totals on the order of light to moderate for most. However, again, places like the resorts there in northwest Wyoming, southern sections of Montana will do well with the potential for some heavy snow totals in some of those spots. Now, rain to come. Probably 1 to 2 inches on the high side for many. The exception will be the Cascades where we stay below snow level. That's where we could see some 2 to 3 plus inch amounts. But for most of the area, looking at up to an inch or 1 to 2 inch total. So a nice rainfall across much of the west. Seattle, best chance of rain does come on Tuesday. Wednesday, could even get a rumble of thunder in the afternoon. By Thursday and Friday, though, more sunshine. Not complete sunshine, but more sunshine with temps in the mid and upper 50s. Again, that mix of sun and clouds will maybe allow for, using the visors or at least flip it on the sunglasses here and there.